it's, you know, taking a walk and all of that, or cycling or rollerblading or whatever. It's you know, good physical exercise, and that's awesome, but you still need to stay 6 feet apart from people. And my wife and I, we took our baby for a little stroll about Make no mistake, the Dougler, he made it very clear today that he's not afraid of shutting her down if we can't behave ourselves.
Yeah, it's again, I find everything very frustrating right now. So he was like, you know what, if opening these things up is just going to make the numbers jump, then I'll take it back away. You know, he's being very dad about his reward. I'll take it back away.
Like a couple seconds.
And
Don't the curve on that one. Right on red there, pickup truck.
Saturday, especially if this
going for it.
What about Sunday football?
Get off my ass.
I'm going to ask you really quick. You ever take the cat out for a walk? Story earlier, Carl. If, you know, it's the same situation for a cat, but I guess the cat probably isn't going out when it's going out for a walk, right? But I guess, yeah, you've got the litter box probably in the RV?
Yep, all that set up. He doesn't, he would.
Any explanation as to what's going on with that?
Yeah, so over the last 5 days, we've seen the number be over 400 in terms of new cases consistently. So right now, people are like, oh, it's because we reopened the economy.
Yeah, I knew that guy was going to be that type of
there wasn't enough time between that happening.
Anyways, I really quickly...
Way more than I needed to know.
Yeah, well, here we are. Really quickly, I want to give a shout out to Daryl. You guys know Daryl, he drops off care packages every once in a while.
Oh,
Yes.
What was it bought it last week?
He did bring a bomb. He just dropped off a package that included 2 Powerades, some Freezies, and some ice cream sandwiches.
yeah. Oh.
Daryl, you're an absolute gem of a human being. Thank you so much.
Or the